Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the windshield wiper blades on a 2006 Ford F-150. Procedures will be similar for most F-150 models from 2004 to 2008, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Lift the first wiper arm so that it's vertical. As you change your blades, be careful not to let the wiper arms swing back down into the windshield, even with the blades on them. This can cause damage to the glass. Find the tab on the wiper blade that needs to be pressed in to release the blade from the J-hook at the end of the wiper arm. With the tab depressed, slide the blade itself toward the windshield out of the wiper arm. Remove the plastic sheath from the edge of your new wiper blade. Move the new blade into place, engaging it with the J-hook, and pull out away from the windshield to seat the blade in the wiper arm. Some blades may have a small cover that snaps down into place to secure the new wiper blade in the arm. Wiper blades should always be changed in pairs, so repeat these steps on the other side. And that's it! Remember, if you purchase your new wiper blades at an O'Reilly Auto Parts store, we'd be happy to install them for free. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.